In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your Microsoft Forms ID in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to Microsoft Forms, this tutorial is crafted to help you easily navigate through and find your Forms ID, a crucial component for several integrations and advanced customizations. Let's start by opening Microsoft Forms. This can be easily done by heading to the Microsoft Forms website. Once you're there, the main interface of Microsoft Forms should greet you. This is where all your form creation and management happen. But to move forward, you're going to need to access your account. Click on the Sign In button. This is your gateway to accessing all your forms and data within Microsoft Forms. A simple click will prompt you to provide your credentials. You'll be brought to a sign-in page where you'll be asked for your email address associated with your Microsoft account. Go ahead and enter your email address into the provided field. This step is crucial as it ensures that you're accessing the correct forms tied to your account. Once you've entered your email, hit Next. You're moving forward in accessing all that Microsoft Forms has to offer. After you click Next, there's one more layer of security to ensure your account is protected: your password. Here you'll need to enter the password associated with your Microsoft account. This step is paramount in ensuring that your account remains secure and only accessible by you. After keying in your password, proceed by clicking on Next once more. You're almost there. Following successful authentication, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard of Microsoft Forms, where all your forms are neatly displayed. This dashboard is your control room. From here you can create new forms, analyze responses, and of course access the form whose ID you need. Now identify and select the form of which you need the ID. Clicking on your desired form will open up its overview, where you can see responses, share the form, or edit it. But where you need to direct your attention to is not within the form. It's actually in the browser's address bar. This brings us to the focal point of our tutorial today. In the browser's address bar you will see a URL. This is not just any URL. Within it lies your form's unique ID. This line of text in the address bar, while seemingly just a mixture of characters, is crucial for integrations, especially if you're looking to embed the form into a website, or perhaps utilize it in custom applications or workflows. Understanding your form's URL structure is key. You're looking for a segment that generally follows a standard pattern after the main part of the URL. The form ID is not the entire URL, but a specific portion of it, typically encapsulated by identifiers such as _. This is the golden nugget you're looking for, and there you have it. You've successfully located your Microsoft Forms ID. This ID is unique to each form you create and paves the way for a multitude of uses, from embedding forms to automating processes. In conclusion, navigating through Microsoft Forms and retrieving your Forms ID is a straightforward process once you know where to look. Remember, starting from signing into your account to navigating to your desired form, and finally understanding the significance of the URL in your browser's address bar, every step is vital. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and you now feel more confident in retrieving your Microsoft Forms ID with ease. Keep exploring the potential of your forms, and until next time, happy form making.